Here we are with Eddie the Hulk Hernandez. How are you, Eddie?
Good. How you doing?
We're doing great, man. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, record, where you train, and your style?
Okay, my name is Eddie the Hulk Hernandez. I'm 4-1 as a pro with 3 TKOs. I train under Ralph Garcia over at World Class Martial Arts. I'm Del Marion Waters, and under Bill Banks over at the Spartan Gym.
Where'd you get your name, the Hulk?
I got my name from my father. Growing up, I've always had a bad temper. That's one of the main reasons why my father got me into martial arts when I was 5. But once you see me in the cage, you understand why they call me the Hulk.
If you were to win this tournament in Atlanta on October the 10th, what would you do with the winnings?
Get caught up with some bills, help my baby mama with my little boy, Giovanni, over in Louisiana, and just focus on training for the next tournament, the next fight.
What do you know about your opponent, Douglas Lima?
Purple belt in jiu-jitsu. I'm not impressed. He's 12-4, but most of his wins are against guys that really didn't have established records. I'm not impressed by him whatsoever, and I'm ready to take his head off.
How do you feel about him?
I have nothing personal against him, but he's just another paycheck to me.
And how do you anticipate the fight ending?
It's going to end, I don't know, either knockout, tap out. It's going to end up with me getting my arm raised at the end by the ref. That's what I'm expecting. That's what everybody's going to be expecting.
And can you tell us, why did you move up on weight to join this tournament?
The reason why I'm moving up in weight is because I love to fight. I don't care if I fight at 170, 185. I'm a fighter. And it's going to be a great opportunity to fight in Atlanta, Georgia, and hopefully win that fan base. I've already got a pretty strong fan base down here in Tampa. And I'm looking to just get more fans and build a bigger name, and hopefully make it to the next level, UFC or Strikeforce.
Good. What can the fans that will see you in action in Atlanta expect when they see the Hulk?
You're gonna see an explosive fighter. You're gonna see people getting knocked out. You're gonna see people getting slammed, grounded, and pounded. You're gonna see an entertainer. Like, that's what I do. I please the crowd, and I'm a crowd pleaser.
And finally, Eddie, to sum it up, do you have a message for Douglas Lima and for the other guys in the tournament?
Definitely, watch out for the Hulk, because I'm coming in to kick ass and take name, and I'm going to win this tournament.
Thank you, Eddie.
Thank you.